Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your $20 account. Okay, now I'm going to be quick about this. Okay, so before we dive into the strategy, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you do subscribe. Okay, go hit that like button, give this video a like, hit the subscribe button. Also subscribe to my channel, because here on this channel I post powerful strategy that will help you grow your small account. Okay, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you'll be the first to get the notification and get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. Now for this strategy, I'm going to make it very simple and also make this video a very short one. Okay, now the first thing you need to observe as the condition for this strategy. Okay, now you see these two indicators here on our indicator window one, the red and the blue line. Okay, you are going to first of all allow it to get to the 15 level here, which is the oversold level. Okay, now let's say price has gotten to the oversold level, which is the 15 level. Okay, now the next thing you are to wait for is to wait for a crossing, right? You need to wait for the blue line to cross above the red line. Okay, now once the blue line cross above the red line, okay, that is your second confirmation. Okay, now the first confirmation is to allow it to get to the oversold or the overbought level. Now once you see price getting to these levels, the next thing you need to wait for, which is your second condition, you need to allow the crossing to happen, right? Now the crossing has happened. Now you can see here on the main chart, right, you need to wait for price to cross above the red line, right? Because here on the indicator window is going to give you the early signal, right? But sometimes whenever it cross, okay, it might still go down, right? So you need the confirmation from the main chart to give you the go, okay, to tell you to enter the market. So once you see there is a spike, right, and it closed above the red line, that is where you should enter from, right? And now for your exit point, okay, you make sure you always respect the indicator on the indicator window one, right? You need to respect this red and blue line here. So whenever it gets to the overbought level, okay, right now you can see we are on boom, right? So whenever it gets to the overbought level, you are to close, okay, because any moment from then price will start reversing. So you need to respect the indicators here on the indicator window one, right? Now, so you can see now that immediately it gets to this place, price start reversing, right? Price start reversing. So you need to make sure you are respecting the indicator window. Okay, you need to make sure you are respecting it. So that is that for the bull market. So here on crash, you can see that is doing the opposite of the bone. Okay, so you can see that price has gotten to the overbought level. Okay, you can see that here. Now what you do, as I earlier said, you need to wait for the crossing to occur. You can see price cross below the red line. Okay, the blue line cross below the red line. Okay, now it has happened on the indicator window. You wait for it to happen also on the main chart. Okay, you see that both side has crossed. Okay, so you take your entry from here and then you wait for the blue line to touch the 15 level, which is the oversold level, and then you exit the market. Okay, so you can see this is a spike catching strategy and it works best on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so you need to have a $20 account to use this strategy. Okay, so that is all for this strategy. It's a very good strategy. Okay, but I didn't say you are not going to have losses. You are going to have losses sometime, but over time you are going to be profitable with this strategy. Okay, so that is all about this strategy. Okay, for the zoom level, you zoom out completely. Okay, and then you zoom in once. Okay, you just zoom in once and that is it. Okay, so I'll quickly share the setting with you guys now before any other thing. Now for the settings, you click on this icon here, and then the first indicator here we have the moving average. Okay, you click on it. The period, we have period 35, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel and the color is red, but you can use any color of your choice. Then after that you click on done. The next indicator here we have the relative strength index. Okay, so after you add the relative strength index, these are the settings. We have the 85 and 15. Okay, let me go inside so that you see it well. These are the levels. After that you click on done. So after adding the relative strength index, okay, you are going to click on this F icon now. Okay, not this one, right? So after clicking on this second F icon, you search for MACD, which is this one, right? After searching for it, you click on it, then you have these settings here, like this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? Under the style you have 1 pixel, the signal is 3 pixel, the color is red, right? And then this one you have to choose the color of your background, whether it's a black or white, right? Then after that you click on done. Then the next indicator you have to add is the moving average, right? You add the moving average. The period is 1, shift 0, method linear weight. Then the apply to, you are to choose this last one, right? This, sorry, you have to choose this one, the previous indicators data. Okay, this is the one you have to choose. Okay, so after choosing it, under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is blue, but you can use any color of your choice. Then after that you click on done. Okay, then after setting all this, you go back. You are going to have a screen like this. Okay, you're going to have a money downloading screen like this. So that is pretty much everything you need to know regarding this strategy. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it. I'm going to end the video here right now. So make sure if you are new to my channel, you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching. Silver out.